Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Make sure your device OS and Ibis Paint X are compatible and free up at least 200 MB. Once done, force close the app from the app switcher so no background process blocks startup. Next, reboot the device to clear temporary system caches. This often resolves launch hangs. If the app still refuses to open, go straight to the App Store and check for an update. Installing the latest build can fix known crashes. Once you've handled basics, dig deeper. On Android, clear cache, and if needed, clear app data to remove corrupt settings. On iOS, offload the app, then reinstall to preserve data while refreshing binaries. Make sure permissions for storage and photos are granted, because denied permissions can prevent file access and stop the app from launching. If problems persist, boot into safe mode or use a secondary user profile to detect conflicts with other apps. To finish, back up any critical artwork by exporting PSD or PNG files before you perform large resets or data clears, because that protects your work. Then reinstall Ibis Paint X from the official store and launch it, granting any permission prompts during the first run to allow full functionality. If the app still won't open, clear your device system cache partition Android or perform a safe restore point. And if needed, send logs to support with model, OS version, and steps you tried so they can help quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.